Welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 10 minus 8 times 10 minus 8. Which option is correct? A, B, or C? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and the one parenthesis. According to the order of operations, parenthesis has higher priority than other operations. So first we have to handle this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have 10 minus 8, which equals 2. So we have 10 minus 8, then times 2. No, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. As we know, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we have to do this multiplication. 8 times 2 gives us 16. So 10 minus 16, which equals negative 6. So our final answer to this problem is just negative 6. That means option C is correct.